kani kari berdasar Meghalaya yang sobai pi baro syakani ketuk khobor mentaka janmit syabain paish khobor kebabnya tungin pet syai kimat kebakongsan kinjo kajing syak tangan baklem bok por jong kani husu syakasngi kebasan boy hospital henriut ki samla pule saungut kila yo mi no arngut pat kidang don hapedeng kajing syak suman Onya phaliu jingmut umentri ketenat puli puthi urakam sangma halor ka jing hapok ki skul ba bad u vice chancellor ka NEHU kerpat u ba head ia ka sarkar pedeng bantu kelab onlet ke seng congress ha Meghalaya syakayeng ka syari ban weng kerteng ki laingut ki MLA ki bapinyaso abat ke NPP Kutno ketemasa Amur Falcon, Balai Sengi Haribhoi District, dah kejing thu ban kentiau iki kam jengok kai. Ki khubor ki babnya. Kajing syong syak tangan jong ki samla pule bala khot penlong dah ke North Eastern Hill University Students Union NEHU kalapoi menta syakasngi kebasan. Kani ka kunhon kala penlong ia ka jingiki naduk ka santarik unai weng ban pinbor yu Professor Prabha Shankar Shukla ba udai ban hiar syuki no nakakam Vice Chancellor jongka skul ba NEHU. Hakawai pat kalyang hapdeng kani ka jingiki henringut ki samla ki bala syong syak tangan kila shitom bat hak ban penkit no iki sya Shillong Civil Hospital. Saungut na preng jengki kila pelat no kat ba arngut pat kidang hak ban syak sumar iwei ha Civil Hospital ban iwei pat hanegrums. Menteri Ketelat Puli Putih ke Sarkar Jela urakam sangma ulaong ba unsalet banyak kendu Vice Chancellor jong ke skul ba North Eastern Hill University NEHU. Professor PS Shukla banyak keren syapang kini ki jing ki belapin ki win ya ke skul ba sangma ulatmu ban pet bat bishar sani bha ya ke ni ke jing long jingman bat lada don kam ba unpa ya ke jing syam jong sya Menteri Ketelat Puli Putih ke Sarkar Pedeng. Hakawai pat kalyang Menteri Sarkar bad ubalong ru unong elam kaseng BJP uba AL heg ulet ho ba ulapa ya kajingker pat ba ulayo pediang na kakunhon jong ka Meghalaya Tribals Teachers Association syakatrat ke Sarkar Pedeng ban le AA halor kene mauru ulatmu ban ya kendo ya Menteri Rangba ke Jela bad ya Menteri Ketenat Puli Putih hakini kisngi banwan banyakren halor kani kejo kapang.
However, I don't know what's really happened. I will inquire the matter from the Vice Chancellor and of the NEHU, and I would whatever may be the issue, students' examination and the futures to that effect.
So yesterday, immediately after I received the letter from the Meta, I immediately forwarded it to the Honorable Union Minister to look into the problem or grievances faces by the student, the teachers, and the entire issue that they are facing in NEHU. And we will tell the government also, from our Honorable Chief Minister, Education Minister, at least also to intervene about the matter, because the loss is not only for NEHU, the main grievances, the main loss is for the students who are studying in NEHU.
Hakawai pat kebenta ka kenhun jong ka North Eastern Hill University Teachers Association NEHU ta kala kentho ya kinong yalam jong ka Voice of the People's Party ki balet banyak kendo ya UVC ka NEHU Professor Prabha Shankar Shukla klem dia pheliu jingmut syuabat ki samla pule ki balayakhi President ka NEHU ta lakon kema ulaong bakate ka jingle kalong kabom dan kam Uba kemau la kedoru bagi samla puli ke bedang beteng ya ke jing syak tangan kilas ngorem banyo ki beriu banabar ki balet ya kendu UVC klem daya kren syabat ki kamashwa kani husu kalapen pau bakam kwa bandon batuklar ya ki kam bahapo jong ka skul ba da menu ki banabar
but the list of the problem. But that problem doesn't exist anymore as such. Now the problem is different, which they feel very, very offended yesterday, and I feel what they have felt. Because they are on hunger strike, and somebody comes from nowhere to go and meet the VC and come out with solution. They may have submitted a list of solutions, but the list of the problem. But that problem doesn't exist anymore as such. Now the problem is different, which these students are talking. Now you should actually, I would have expected that whoever comes to NEHU now, whether they are from NGOs, whether they are from political parties, across party line, they should come and express their sympathy for the students.
Kasing Congress haka jela kan sayo ya ka jing pentip ki bathamai na ka office jong ulampang ke yeng dor bar thauan halor ka jing kerpat ban weng kerteng ki laingut ki MLA uhe du jong ke MPCC uba Vincent H Pala ula ong ba kaseng kalathat ban am bat kalapha ya ka kenhun ki nong sad an ban yat no sha ka yeng ka shari unong mi khamat jong kaseng Congress uba Ronnie Wheeling do ulapha artli ki jing kerpat shu lampang ka yeng dor bar thauan u Thomas A Sangma persha ikilai ngut ki nong mi khamat na kaseng ba kilalet ban penyeso no bat kaseng NPP.
See, the disqualification petitions is no more under my area because these have been taken over by AICC. AICC, they have a team in Delhi and they have a team here in PCC also. Yesterday I told the team in Delhi and the team here also they should prepare and we should move to a appellate court because we cannot afford to be just like sometimes they delay this is a problem, this defect, that defect. So it shows the the sincerity and seriousness of the speaker.
Kata masa bajulong man usdam banle ngobhai ke jingwan jong kisim Amur Falcon. Kabalong kisim ki baher na kaway ka jaka syakaway ka jaka kat kum ka jinglong ka ayom. Sa sisin pat kalapin pau biang ya kekerteng jong kasnong umru bat terso hari Bohoi district. Ban rakhe ka jingwan poi jong kite kisim Amur Falcon ka Eastern Ribhoi Tourism Environmental ARTE ringkat ka jing trailang bat ka Terso Valley Wildlife Protection Society kilapen long ya katamasa Amur Falcon ban kintiu ki kam jingok kai kibay day bat kamaryang ya kate katamasa lapen long ha kilai sngi lenter Hamadan Umroy hari Bohoi district bat lapen kut no menta kasngi hakate katamasa ladon ka jingpen iriti bat kiwe ki jingpen bernya baken thop ye ki jingshat bat ki jingjit ye ki miss bat Mr Amur Falcon da ka jing thmu ban kintiu bat nangkham pinsong tho sho shapang ka jing police science hapring ki khinna school ka State Council of Science Technology and Environment Meghalaya menta kasngi kalapin long ya ka science talent search program bashi sngi lenter halor kapang scientific milestone celebration for school eco clubs yakani ka program lapin long ha auxilium higher secondary school nong thamai shalong habekren bat ka DD news u Meghalaya Program Officer SCSTE uba Layamon C Dingdo ulaong bakani ka program kalong haki arbenta kaway kade tinkering science project competition but kaway pat kade scavenger hunt competition.
So this program actually it's a program which is very exciting, should I say, because it deals with science, and we are an organization that promotes science in the state of Meghalaya. And today we have different various types of competitions based on these scientific events and milestones that, in one calendar year there are around 65 milestone celebrations. So we are working very hard for the popularization of science in our state.
Klatno uwe unong natrok hadin ba kakali ba ulanya kala khongpong ha umsning bypass hari Bohoi district hinin kasngi thoding kate katrok kadang mut banlet sha Jantia Hills na Guwahati Henry kalakalano kat ba kadang poi ha umsning bypass kabalay lam sha kajing klatno jong unongnya kat ba unong yarap ulaman saw unongnya ubalaklat latip kerteng kum u dawni dekhar na madur ha East Jantia Hills bat yo balaman saw pat latip kum u Erickson Square na umulong West Jantia Hills. Kajingkala jong ketiga kali kadai namar ba unongnya ulapin hairstep palat yaka bat kumta ulalet ban tingkho ya kajingker hasurok bat let hapat syakawe kesurok. Menteri Ketnat ki Kampuli Puthi ke Sarkar Jilla u rakam e sangma menha ke sngi palai ulaple ka Lempung International Seminar baar sngi linter ba tip kum ka Architects of Connectivity Act East Policy, Strategies and Development Imperatives. Balapan long da katnat puli jong ka History but Economics. Ka Women's College Shillong. Ha ka jingkren jong u sangma ulakren shapang ki jing e gibede but ka jing pinyeso kaway ka jaka na kaway pat. Ha ka than siya tay lamingi. Ula banjur bakalong ke bakongsan ya ke Act East Policy ban lak ban wanra ya ke jing penyeso ke ba paka hakathan kenang ba on lak ban nang kentiu ya kalat kamai bat ke kai pateng hakathan. Kabenta Balai jong ke Meghalaya Talent Identification Program TID kabela pelat patba do Menteri Rangba Ukonrat Ke Sangma bat Menteri Ketnat ki Kamelek Kai uba Shakler Wajri. Kilaya ceprang ha keleng ki district hapok ke jela lakershan da Ketnat Sports and Youth Affairs kani ke program ka angnut ban tenjo ya kisap jong kishpau hajar ngut ki kena palat hendriu hajar arspa sau phui ngut ki kena kila sha tenjo ya kasap jong ki hadu menta. Ha kabala syamru bagi kena ki bedon sap ha ke district bat kintup ya ki iha po ampati bat Southwest Garo Hills ka TID kedai ke scientific testing program na kebenta ki kamelek kai ke ba angnut ban pin itu ya ki samla jongki nongelek kai bat ban yarap ya ka jela ban job shu ha ka jingelek kai ha ka national but international rukumjo.
We are very happy that we are in this third edition also we are finding more talent. In the first edition we tested 4,500 out of which 200 met the benchmark. Again now in the second edition last year 10,000 we tested, 200 met the benchmark. They are undergoing training as we speak, and out of the first edition 11 reach super elite level, and they are in our camp and being trained, mentored by Olympians. We hope they will also, one day represent the state at the national level and hopefully at the international level.
Daka jingtpu ban yarap iki nongrap bat ban kentiu ya ke kamrep kamriang ha Southwest KHASI Hills District. Kaseng National People's Party Farmers Front Maukerwat Unit hinin kesngi kalapinlong ya ke jingelang bat ki nongrap ban sngothu ya ke jinge jongki. Hakani ke jingelang lawan yeshimbenta do chairman ka NPP Farmers Front Meghalaya Unit uba HM Shangplyang. Haba ai jingkren uba Shangplyang ulaong ba yakimat balawan ra de kinongrep on sepin sngo shaka sarkar jela lingba Menteri Ketnat karep karyang. Bad on shimru ikilat kilinti ban pinbet ikini kijing e giba kinongrep jongkathan maukerwat ki kendo.
Ina kuna hali yang seperti hadir dengan kasih kaki dengan Malaysia ketika perjalanan atau jika semua di MDC nak kuat ini kue waktu Shinrunda ada di bukti ada di bukti kenapa kan sesok yang kan dijiwan dulu.
Ka Northern Ribhoy College D1 Umden minta kasngi kala pinkut no ya ka first annual college week celebration kumju ru ya ka program pinkup burom na ka benta ki samla puli BA jong snem arjar arphwe hadu arjar arpusau hakani kasngi lawan ya shimbenta do MLA ka nongpo uba Meril Bon CM hakabala sindran yo u da i principal ka college EC Benny haba ai jingkren uba CM lamat phang halor ka jingdon kam jong ki samla pule bandon bentalang haki jing pule bat haki jingile kai ru kumjo hakani ka program lapin yo ru ya ka rinsan ban lekmen ya ka jing job jong ki samla pule bat banwanra ya ka jing eteli bat ka jing sarong hapo ka jaka pule.
Everyone, how to cope up with the national education policy that has been in place. It is not an easy task, but as a sponsoring body, we are not losing any hope, and we are very optimistic that the dream and aspiration that each and every family members, especially the
KHASI Students Union KSU Paham CM Unit hinin kasngi kala penlong ya ka program pinkup burom ki kena puli SSLC bad HSSLC ha Paham CM uba Ruben Najar Chairman Jongka Employment Monitoring Cell KSU ulalong ukongsan hakani ka program la itho ya ki khan ringut ki samla puli ki ba job hakani ka examen badang shudaption hakabalawan bani shimbenta lang de ki kena puli bad ki kmi ki pa jong ki kena Hakani ke program lasdang shwa daki jing penshai patba halor ke jing sniu jong udrok bat kumju ru ya ke jing batai shapang ke jing yo kam yo jam jong ki samla.
Kimi pa kijungi wala kimdei kibala pas ha hendai kitep ya ka jing kongsan jong jing nang jing start bagi kwa I khun kijong ki bagi puli bagi poi syakap dan kaboper balik.
Mintapat nginipet ya ke jing long jing man ka sun bering hanong ba shalong. Kajing kriat kalong katway pon lai degree Celsius, bat kajing shit kalong arhaway pon henriu degree Celsius. Kajing skam ka hau kalong sanpau kadai nakashispa hakapor men step, bat henriu pong nyo nakashispa hakapor janmit. Kasun beneng kan rang bat terkong habun ki jaka, kandon kajing dum loo ba melumala hakikat tu kat ni ki jaka. Ti parlok katung lepoi syaka bukut jong ketup kubor jingi minta ke janmit haduk mine syambiang lasyai ke sengi kublai pi barok.
The government has worked relentlessly for the development of Marathwada region of Maharashtra. Addressing an election rally in Nanded, Prime Minister Modi said that in the last 2.5 years, the Marathwada region has seen